In the summer of 1944, the Finns withdrew toward Ilomantsi, fighting delayed actions along the way. Their plan was to construct defensive positions at Öykkösenvaara. The enemy forces pushing via Öykkösenvaara in the direction of Ilomantsi parish village could then be pinned down, encircled, and destroyed. Öykkösenvaara was selected as the strong point because its geography favored the defenders. The steep, rocky, and in places bare hillside descends toward the terrain below and was an ideal location for field fortifications. The narrow isthmus, bordered by lakes, confined the attacking enemy to the road. The positions were not completed by the time the leading enemy elements appeared in front of the Finnish line on July 29th and came under intense fire delivered by the 21st Brigade from the fortified positions. The combined effects of artillery fire and mines planted in the roadway caused substantial losses to the enemy's motorized units. Some were practically destroyed. The Battle of Öykkösenvaara was a resounding success for the Finns. Major General Erkki Rapaina had hammered home his final lesson on the southern sector of Ilomantsi front.